What up, gang? Your boy Horan here, shooting the video. Here, what's going on, guys? The car. It's Let's tell you what's going on now, guys. The car. Sorry about the noise. The bikes out. The car totally make 209 on the dyno, but it blew the head gasket. So I came back home, changed the head gasket. Your boy make a couple of pulls, but the other night, I'm gonna show you the video, put it down low. The other night I make a couple of pulls and it started to pour back water in the reserve bottle. So I'm just gonna break it down right now, send the head to the machine shop. So just stay tuned, your boy gonna break it down and we're gonna go from there. Okay guys, your boy is gonna, right now we're gonna start taking off the plugs and stuff like that. The plugs, and do certain maths and certain calculation, and we'll show you where I'm at when I'm at. So yeah guys, your boy not trying to do too much. Your boy's not trying to like hurt the motor, so I'm gonna just take the head off, do the right thing, put it through the machine shop, and we'll go from there. Take these plug wires out. Yeah guys, I'm gonna change the tensioner, change the tensioner. I'm gonna change a whole bunch of stuff while I'm doing this. The tensioner, these seals right here, these seals ain't sitting down good. These seals sitting down like crap, man. Or all of these seals hurting bad too, guys. So guys, I'm just plugging off wires now. Plugging off the little wires. This VTEC switch wire just broke off, so I gotta fix that back. And guys, could you guys remember me, because I'm gonna load this video up and show it up so you guys could remember me. But yo, you didn't do the that shit tight, bro. VTEC solenoid sensor. Okay guys, off the officially off. And now it's ready now to go get resurfaced. While it's gonna get resurfaced, I'm gonna clean up a little bit of stuff around here, around the engine bay, a little bit of wires, dirty wires and stuff like that. But first I'm gonna strip the head, and after that we're gonna try to clean up some stuff down here, strip the head, try to clean up some stuff down here. And I was planning on doing the tensioner. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna get in after this. So stay tuned, guys. As you can see, the head is officially off. The pistons, they look quite fine. I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit and go from there. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I got the manifold off, exhaust manifold. The downpipe is still in the car, hanging off in the car. Yeah, I take the intake manifold off. I'm gonna take the distributor off, and I think I'm gonna take the VTEC solenoid off, and I'm gonna leave that VTEC sensor in. Maybe I will take it out. I'll take it out and see what happens. But yeah, she's almost ready now to go to the machine shop, and I got this one hose right here, so I got to take that off too. And after that, I'm gonna wipe her down a little bit, get ready to go to the machine shop tomorrow. And then still, you boy gotta change the tensioner and the water pump. Maybe I want to change the tensioner because I hear it. I think it's hit crying back there. It's making a noise, but I'm gonna see where we're gonna go from now. Maybe I polish the turbo, just the part that sucks right there. That's this little part. Maybe I shine it up, and I'll go from there, guys. Yeah, guys, so the head is officially off. Tomorrow I'm gonna take it to the machine shop. There you go. It is off. It's pretty clean on the inside though. On the outside, after they give it back to me, I'm gonna clean it up and yeah, clean it up, make sure it's well clean. Clean up a few stuff back on the car before I put it back up. Fix up some little bit of wiring. And that's about it, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog out here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Even if you don't like, watch it. Okay. Alright, guys, you boys here. Peace.